Is your Linux Mint system ready for the AI revolution? Most people think you need a $3,000 GPU and a monthly cloud subscription to use AI. You don't. Your Linux Mint machine may already be ready, and it can run AI completely offline, with your data never leaving the machine. But here's the thing, ready isn't automatic. Three things decide whether your Mint box can actually run local AI, and two of them you can fix in about 10 minutes. 1. Your hardware. 2. What's installed. 3. How you keep it private. Part 1. The hardware check. Let's get to it. Number 1. Hardware. This is the real question behind the title. Can your machine handle it? The short answer for most people is yes. 8 gigabytes of RAM will run a small model, the 3 to 7 billion parameter range. 16 gigs, and you're comfortable with the bigger models. If you've got a dedicated GPU, responses get dramatically faster. If you don't, it still works, just slower. To check yours, open the System Reports app or run this in the terminal. And don't worry, I'll have every command in the description so you don't have to memorize anything. The one thing to watch on Mint is your graphics driver. Open the driver manager and make sure your AMD or NVIDIA driver is actually loaded. That's the most common gotcha. People skip it and then wonder why their local AI crawls. Quick reality check because this matters. Ready for AI isn't really about horsepower. It's about whether the AI runs on your terms on your own machine. Keep that in the back of your head. It's where we're going. Part 2. The install. Number 2. Software. This is the part that used to be hard, and now it's not. The tool you want is called Ollama. One install, and it handles downloading and running the models for you. Then, if you want a clean chat interface instead of typing in the terminal, add something like OpenWeb UI or Jan on top. Here's the flow. Install Ollama from their site. There's a Linux one-liner for it. Then pull a starter model. Start small, Ollama or Gemma, in the 3 billion range. So you get something on screen fast. You can always pull a bigger one later. And that's it. 2 commands roughly, and you're running AI locally. No subscription, no account, no data leaving the machine. Part 3. The payoff. Privacy/sovereignty. Number 3. Privacy. And this is where it stops being a tutorial and becomes something you should actually think about. When you use a cloud AI, every prompt, every document, every chat, it's on someone else's server. When you run it locally, it's on your hardware, your prompts, your files, your history, yours. That's what ready for the AI revolution really means. Not just that your machine can run it, but that you have the option to run it yourself without handing your data to a company you've never met. Think of it like this. Running local AI is owning your house instead of renting a hotel room. A little more work up front, but the keys stay in your pocket. That's the 3-part check. Hardware, install, privacy, run through it, and you'll know exactly whether your Mint system is ready. I hope this video has been a help to you, and as they say at the end of every episode of the Geyer Cook Report, it's a wrap.